you're wearing? Wow! Ay, ang galing!
Oh, yeah!
Wow! Amazing! Probably if you do it in the park, it's better because you can just... How did you balance?
I teach myself.
Ang galing! In one day.
I taught by myself. Daddy
Yeah.
was sleeping.
Oh, ang galing! You just practice how to stand up.
Yeah, of course.
Amazing! Can you turn like this? Ang galing! Amazing! Aliana! Next time we go with and do it in the park so it's better. Bigger parks. Like the Pottery Harbor probably. Park as in a bigger place. Ganda girl. Why?
I wish I can go back to the water park.
Water park? We're going to Legoland. We're going to meet Irish, my friend. Hi, Lian.
I go. Sam has picture in
Legoland.
her house.
Yeah.
In her house, she's standing there.
I can take photo of you.
Sure. Just like Africa.
We're going to chicken rice shop.
Swim here again.
Okay, let's go inside.
No. Hi, Aliana. TikTok.
This is my chicken rice, my soup, and asam pedas.
And her nata. I like
Nata di Lian. Ayan pa. Same kami. Ooh. Thank you, my pak choy. Lian like this, my pak choy. And this one. This is so nice. That's Lian's food. Sarap po. Nice with the chicken ball rice.
Hi. Mommy finishes spicy food. Me? The chicken's nice with the rice. So yeah.
Do you eat more?
And the bright light.
You little sick.
Anyway. Picture.
See life.
Here again.
We're going there. Here you are.
Palagay mo meron doon sa pharmacy.
Hi, Aliana. We are here at the entrance. That's Tita Irish. Kahit dito na lang. Okay lang ba, Mama? Picture daw siya. Picture. Sit. Wow! There. Update. Ang init. Hi. What's inside? Good morning. I cannot see what's inside. I cannot see.
Wow! The nest is almost completed. What are
Yeah.
you looking at?
The egg. The mother is putting some feathers, right?
Is there egg inside?
Daddy said, but I cannot see.
I think Tita Rami for the egg.
Ah, it's from
Tito Ronnie.
Tito Ronnie. Okay, I'll open. Open. You break it. Yeah. Open wide. Eyes. Close your eyes. Open your eyes.
We're gonna use this. So nice!
Okay, you wear it. Again, thank you, Tita Ronnie.
Tito Ronnie.
Hi, Lian. You like your dress? Aww. Hi, Lian.
Like that.
We are at Chrome Hair Studio. Lian wants her haircut.
And here's
Hair to be cut.
Samsung phone.
I'm going to do my ribbon. You vlog me later, okay?
Hey, I want to cut also.
Hi, Lian.
So nice. It's so nice, my first time.
First time to wash your hair. Holy. It's okay. I'll change the battery. Shampoo. Lian shampoo. There's my more. It's a conditioner. Smells good.
Yeah. Oh, it smells good. Papa's baby is so nice.
I'll photo you. Your hair is shorter. You love it. Summery. What's the name? Huh? Ah, yeah. Hi, Han. We're here at Chrome Studio. Ayan si Lian. Ayan, tapos na siya. Hi. You love it?
Yeah.
Halika na, go down na. Me too. Ayan, oh.
So fast.
Welcome. Hi, Lian. Hi. We're here at Bomcha. This is the Chrome Hair Studio. Then, when you go down, turn right. Ito lang yung Bomcha. I'm just using my Samsung for the vlogging. Hi, Aliana. Lian likes your... Lian, you like your hair so much. Here is my hair. Ay? Ito naman ang bago kong relax na hair. Yan. Hindi ko na pinabago
What
ang
happened if I higa?
color. So, this is my natural black. Ito yung dating ko brown. So, ganyan na lang siya. Relax lang talaga. No color. Here's the dark chocolate latte. Ito naman kay Lian. Kakaiba rin pala yung paglagyan. This is the... What's this? 50% ice, 50% sugar. I think this one is the Yasmin. Hi, Lian. So, there's this free Sunday. No. Ano ginawa mo? Delete. Contact number. Email.
Address.
Ay, sorry. Ay, Maxis. Ay, aha. Yeah. Next. Tada! You get my big Maxis. Wow. Next. Post your picture today. Next. Thanks. Download. Oh yeah, I have already the Maxis.
May nahulog sa loob.
Lian has this. Hi, Lian. We're here at McDonald's and we got this a while ago. Lian had a smile. She smiled there and took photo. They call this Smile for Rewards machine. So we have free chocolate sundae and free 4 pieces chicken McNuggets. Right, Lian. These are the things that we had from the Smile application.
Do you need this for?
That one is for your chicken nuggets. Okay, so this is free.
And the chicken nuggets.
Okay, so this one is free Sunday also. We just ordered this double cheeseburger set. Yan, with the large Milo.